get this and then we can head that way.
Okay. Want to rescue or?
Yeah,
Okay.
would be a good idea. Oh, she got down. She's good. She's good. Let's find another gen. Let's go this way.
That one straight ahead.
Maybe.
That's already fixed.
This one over here. I don't think we're gonna get it fixed because it's like right in the middle and super visible, but other side, babe. Other side.
Very thankful.
Sorry, Rick. Yeah. Should be careful. We're very open.
Yeah, he's nearby. If he comes by, you run since you're on your last hook.
Sure.
Okay, he's
Gonna be coming right towards us.
Yep.
Right. I'm running the other way.
Okay. Switch. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the fuck out of here. I don't think. I think he's gonna get me.
I'm going into the house. I think he just came in there. Stay away from the upstairs, please.
I'm downstairs getting carted off by.
Okay, great.
Okay, great.
Oh shit, she's on the hook. Fuck. Never mind. Shit. Didn't realize. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Do what you got to do. Protect yourself.
We're coming. And we'll need a heal party. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
What is she doing?
She's filling a hole so he doesn't pop up what she did anyway.
Oh,
Fuck.
okay.
I'm just gonna
Don't come near me.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh man, he got her again.
Let's just go back inside. I think we can both work on this gen real quick. Upstairs. She's dead.
Why did I lose you? He's here. I'm going.
Okay. And I think he saw me go in, so he's not getting
No,
me.
get away from her.
Good luck.
Get away. I'm trying to bite your fucking ankles.
I knew he was gonna come in here too. Oh well.
I'm gonna kill myself.